Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about Mars mission, especially the Mars mission of United Arab Emirates. The mission name is Hope and therefore the Hope Mars mission. Okay, so let's go through all the slides and you will get detailed information about the Hope Mars mission, their chronology of development, and what are the scientific instruments that are carried with this mission? What are the objective of this mission? And with this, what UAE going to be achieved? So let's start. Hope Mars mission. Okay, the Emirates Mars mission is a space exploration mission to Mars or the Red Planet, which launched the Hope orbiter. So Hope is the name of orbiter by using a rocket. Their name is the Mitsubishi Heavy Industries H2A from Tanegashima, Japan. So this is launched from where? So it's launched from the Japan. Remember it. Okay. On 19th July 2020, Hope is the first Mars probe of the Arab world. Remember it. Okay. It is scheduled to arrive Mars in 2021. Okay, so it will reach by 2021. It was built by Mohammed bin Rashid Space Center and Emirati Space Organization. So may they asked you about where it built. So it is built by the UAE own space organization, but it was launched from Japan space station launching pad. Okay, and so let's in the next slide. With this mission, okay, UAE will join a fleet of 6 other spacecraft studying the red planet from space. 3 operated by NASA, 2 by the European Space Agency, in that 1 shared with Russia and 1 by India. Okay, the name Hope is basically the Arabic word and it means Al Amal. It was chosen because it sends a message of optimism to millions of young Arabs, and for that, the president of UAE so they openly announces the Arab world to suggest the name, and by getting the information, they basically choose this name Hope. This mission was announced by Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan, the President of the United Arab Emirates, in July 2014. The scientific head of this mission is Sara Al Amiri. What is the objective of the Hope mission? The probe will study detail and seasonal weather cycle, weather events in a lower atmosphere such as dust, storms, and how the weather varies in different regions of the Mars. It will attempt to answer the scientific questions of why Martian atmosphere is losing hydrogen and oxygen into space and the reason behind drastic climate change of Mars. What are the scientific instruments that are carried with this mission? So just remember it. The Hope orbiter or the probe will carry 3 scientific instruments to study the Martian atmosphere, which includes a digital camera for high resolution colored images of the Mars, an infrared spectrometer that will examine the temperature profile, ice, water vapor in the atmosphere of the Mars, and an ultraviolet spectrometer so that will study the upper atmosphere and trace of oxygen and hydrogen further out into the space. Okay, so on Mars, several countries consistently putting their efforts like the Curiosity rover, MAVEN, Chandrayaan, and there are so many other space agencies. Even in this month of July, China and the NASA, they also carried their own mission for the Mars. Everywhere, all these space agency wants to gather information about Mars. Is the Mars atmosphere will allow the survival of the living being or not? Is there any uh, uh, sign of the life, or is the water available on the Mars or not? So all these things are uh, in vague, and consistently scientific arena try to find out all those things, and therefore they consistently putting their efforts for the Mars. Thank you. Bye.